Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence? Well, you've come to the right place because today we're going to explore the future of AI and showcase a game-changing technology that's taking the world by storm: ChatGPT. As we all know, AI is rapidly evolving and changing the way we interact with technology. And with ChatGPT, we're seeing a major leap forward in the capabilities of AI-powered virtual assistants. But what makes ChatGPT so special? How does it stand out from the competition? And most importantly, could it really be the future of AI? Don't worry, we're going to answer all these questions and more, so make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because we're going to dive deep into the world of ChatGPT and explore its potential to transform the future of artificial intelligence. And hey, if you're excited about the possibilities of AI and want to stay up to date on the latest advancements, don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode of our tech channel. Let's get started. Let's start by discussing what ChatGPT is and how it works. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge AI-powered virtual assistant that uses natural language processing to understand and respond to users' queries. It's built on top of the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer architecture, which is a deep learning model that has been trained on massive amounts of data. This enables ChatGPT to generate human-like responses and engage in natural conversations with users. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to handle a wide range of tasks, from simple queries to complex interactions. For example, it can answer questions, provide recommendations, schedule meetings, and even write emails. And because it's powered by AI, it's constantly learning and improving, which means that it can adapt to the user's needs and preferences over time. So what sets ChatGPT apart from other AI-powered virtual assistants? Well, one of the key differences is its ability to generate responses that are more natural and engaging. Because it's based on a deep learning model that has been trained on massive amounts of data, it can generate responses that are more contextually relevant and human-like. This means that users can have more natural conversations with ChatGPT, which can enhance the overall user experience. Another key feature of ChatGPT is its flexibility. It can be easily integrated with other applications and systems, which makes it a powerful tool for businesses and organizations. For example, it can be used to automate customer service interactions, schedule appointments, and even generate reports. Overall, ChatGPT is a game-changing technology that is revolutionizing the way we interact with virtual assistants. With its ability to generate natural responses, handle complex tasks, and adapt to user preferences, it's poised to become a key player in the world of AI-powered virtual assistants. ChatGPT isn't just an impressive technology. It also offers a wealth of benefits to users. One of the key advantages of using ChatGPT as an AI assistant is the amount of time it can save. Rather than having to navigate complex menus or interfaces, users can simply ask ChatGPT a question or give it a task, and it will handle the rest. This can be a huge time saver for both individuals and organizations, freeing up time and resources for more important tasks. Another benefit of ChatGPT is its ability to increase productivity. By automating tasks and streamlining workflows, ChatGPT can help users get more done in less time. It can also provide personal recommendations based on the user's preferences, which can help to optimize workflows and improve productivity even further. But perhaps one of the most exciting benefits of ChatGPT is its natural language processing capabilities. Unlike other virtual assistants that may struggle with understanding natural language, ChatGPT can understand and respond to complex queries with ease. This means that users can have more natural conversations with ChatGPT, which can enhance the overall user experience and make using the technology more enjoyable. ChatGPT can also be used to enhance customer service interactions. By automating routine tasks and answering common questions, ChatGPT can help to free up customer service representatives to handle more complex queries and provide a more personalized experience to customers. This can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. ChatGPT is already being used in a wide range of industries to improve operations and enhance the user experience. In healthcare, for example, ChatGPT is being used to provide personal recommendations to patients based on their medical history and symptoms. This can help to improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs by providing more targeted and effective treatments. In customer service, ChatGPT is being used to automate routine tasks and provide quick and efficient responses to common queries. This can help to improve customer satisfaction by providing fast and accurate support, while also freeing up customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. In education, ChatGPT is being used to provide personalized learning experience to students. By analyzing student behavior and preferences, ChatGPT can provide tailored recommendations and feedback that can help students to learn more effectively. Overall, these real-world examples demonstrate the versatility and effectiveness of ChatGPT across a wide range of industries. By leveraging the power of AI and natural language processing, ChatGPT is helping organizations to streamline their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and provide more personalized experiences to users. Given its impressive capabilities and versatility, it's natural to wonder whether ChatGPT is the future of AI. While it's impossible to predict the future with certainty, there are several reasons to believe that ChatGPT will play a major role in shaping the future of AI. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to learn from vast amounts of data and continuously improve its performance. This means that as more data becomes available, ChatGPT will become even more powerful and effective. Additionally, as the technology evolves and becomes more widespread, we can expect to see new use cases and applications emerge that we may not have even considered yet. We can also expect to see ChatGPT become more integrated with other AI technologies, such as machine learning and computer vision. By combining these different technologies, we can create even more powerful and intelligent AI systems that can automate a wider range of tasks and provide more personalized experiences to users. Finally, as AI becomes more ubiquitous and more people become comfortable using it, we can expect to see ChatGPT and other AI-powered virtual assistants become more mainstream. In the future, it may be common to interact with AI systems on a daily basis, whether it's in the form of a virtual assistant or an intelligent chatbot. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think about ChatGPT and its potential to shape the future of AI? Have you used ChatGPT or other AI-powered virtual assistants before? If so, what was your experience like? If you're interested in learning more about ChatGPT and other AI technologies, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.